Good morning, everyone. Let's start our update with Bitcoin. Let's see where we at. I do have a short post CPI. Um, I'm not gonna lie, I got caught in a short here at the lows. I thought it will break and then probably go all the way here in just one move, but the markets had other plans. I caught the trade at break even, and I think I caught the trade right before this pump here. I do believe that we are heading lower because the FX market is looking like shit. I don't see this is a risk asset, so like Australian dollar and commodities are getting fucked. I don't see why Bitcoin wouldn't come down also. I do have a wide stop loss. It's a 3 hour trade. I really don't want to try to sniper out the entries here because the swings are very, very wild for now. We're currently, I mean, we've rejected this November high and the mid range from June, August last year. So technically, we're still above mid range. This is where the September high is. That's why my stop loss is so wide. If it comes here, I will probably fill in some more shorts. And but if we're getting, let's say, to 23,000, if we get back into this range above here and we have some sort of weird move here, then I will close my trade. This is just for illustration purposes. I don't have a stop loss yet. I usually put a hard stop loss when I go to sleep, and when I'm awake, I just remove it because I'm here and I can see what the price is telling me. So, of course, if it comes all the way here and I look at the minute chart and I see some structure that is appealing to me and it's looking like it's breaking down, then obviously I'm not gonna close the trade. So it all depends what happens here on the smaller time frames, and then I can reassess. So and this is the trade that I have. Basically, it's this is the chart that I use for analysis, and this is the one that I use to visualize the trades. So basically, I was in a good trade here, and I'm kind of like bummed because I closed it. Um, it was an accident. I wanted to close like have the position, and I closed it, uh, the whole position. This one was a good trade here, and let's see this one if it comes to fruition. Um, in terms of, I'm not gonna look at one, so I'll just remove it from my list. Doggy, not much to say. I just kept on saying that I don't want to repeat myself. This is a good time to accumulate this dog coin. Probably it will, you know, do this range here. Maybe like this. I don't know if it will do like this, but maybe it will. So I'm accumulating this. If it, in the next cycle, if it pumps all the way to $1, I will be making some cash. Um, Ripple, not much. Same old, same old. Stuck in this range. Technically, right now it's at uh, mid range. So, oh, yeah, basically, this was good for a long scalp. My main focus right now is uh, FX. So, this one is a loss here. Let's write down that it's a loss. Oh, sometimes the market has a different plan than what you think, and then it will come down. But I think now this trade like this is valid. So I might short this one, but I am having FTM. I have FTM like this. I want to see it come down. If it wants to push higher, then I'll be looking for shorts in around this area here, zero point 0.6. But I do think that if it doesn't break this here, and you see it keeps making this small patterns, failing, swing fails here. If it comes again, I'll have to see how it closes here. But I think it might do another sweep higher, and then come down. We'll see when the time comes. Let's put an alert here, and let's write down uh, check for position. No, check. Oh, we'll see what happens here. Um, Ape. This I'm still waiting for 5.4. Here I have an alert. This is where I plan to short. So let's see if it gives it. If it gives it to me, um, I think it will try to sweep this high. But let's see. Maybe let's put an alert here also. Link. Not much to say about this. This is just nasty chop. This is just for accumulation here. Matic. I had a short. I took 75% here and I closed some here. And that's it. That's my trade. I think we can reshort this from here by the looks of it. So maybe all the way here. Let's see. Yeah. So maybe take profit here. First take profit here. And then here. And then here. So it will be something like this. Right. Maybe I'll split it like this. 25% here. Here you will take 25 or something like this. And here you will take another 25 and this is your final target. So, let's see if it plays out like this, but I do think it will, to be honest. They look like they're about to crash everything. So AVAX. Okay, so we got the trigger. We'll take the short. After I do the update, I'll take the short and we'll see how it plays out. OP, OP, OP. Deviation here. See. Yeah, this looks also good for a short, maybe all the way to 1.7, something like this. But I don't want to take too many positions because it's hard to manage them. I also have the FX account and I have multiple accounts, so I do this manually, so it takes a lot of time. I don't want to waste a lot of time on managing smaller, positions and stuff. Atom looks good for short. So I think we'll revisit $14 or something like that. Let's take a look at Ethereum real quick. Deviation. Okay, this looks very, very nice for a short. Clear, clear, clear as daylight. This is the short here. Okay. I am gonna close the update now and I will take some positions and then we'll come back with FX. Okay.